Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 26. How to add negative keywords. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to add negative keywords, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select All Campaigns and then select Campaigns. Here you get a list of all campaigns, select one campaign, then select Keywords. Here on top we get negative keywords, click on it. Then click on Add Negative Keywords button. Here add your negative keywords, as we know double quotes for phrase match and square bracket for exact match, then click on Save button. So all your negative keywords have been saved, click on this small info button and you will get information about negative keywords. What it is and why it is important. So this is how you can add negative keywords. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 27. How to set daily advertising budget. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to set daily advertising budget, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.